Gold and silver both gave a gap down opening and traded slightly bearish. Now what to expect today? Can we go short from here or can we expect a rise? Which position we should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. So in this analysis, first we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Let's start. This is on the hourly charts. Gold was trading outside Bollinger Bands and that is what has got the pushback, and it is now trading comfortably at 1762 levels. Yet it is trying to trade within this zone. Hence any drop below 1760 should be a good indicator that it may try to achieve 1755, the first destination. This is going to be a major support, and then 1750. Only below 1750 you can confirm that it is going to shed a little more. So sell at 1760. That should be a good strategy. It will at least get you $5 of move here till 1755 and then till 1750. That should be the target. So all sell target only is below 1760 levels. Till the time it trades above 1760, do not trade. Directional movement is modestly bullish. Stochastic looking downwards, cooling down on the hourly charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also looking downwards little bit and indicating that it may try to cool down further. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similarly, likewise, if you see first of all higher lows and higher highs are seen, indicating that it may try to cover up the gap on the upside and it may try to trade in this channel itself. Hence 1760 should be a very good support. Only below 1760 you can expect it to drop. Till the time it remains above 1760, the possibility of a rise exists. At the same time, one must not forget that above 1770, certainly you can confirm that it is going to show you little more strength. The directional movement is modestly bullish here. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over and this is a sell side crossover. We can expect it to continue with this bearish momentum for a little while. See, this is the third crossover in recent times and indicates that probably we may see little more bearishness. Look, this crossover is happening at a high and hence it has a probability for it to continue with the bearish momentum. The RSI too was overbought. Now it has come down a bit. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation there. It is trading within this channel. See how it has behaved. A rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation. So this time it is trying to break out of this channel and hence possibility exists that we may see a little drop. But you have to sell only at 1760 and do not consider this as bearish. Till 1750, below 1750 you can certainly expect 1740 as the major support, and below that certainly little more drop can be expected. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards here. The MACD has crossed over and this is a sell entry. Remember, this is a sell entry here on the charts. The RSI is overbought, indicates that probably we may see it cooling down a bit. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Nothing different, nothing extraordinary here. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is on the verge. See, first crossover, second crossover, third crossover. This crossover is going to happen at high and hence probably it may show you little more bearishness. The RSI is overbought here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you'll find, see, it has given a gap down here. This gap is yet to be filled above 1766 levels. Yes, it has certainly a little more gap to be filled. On the downside, the possibility of it to remain bearish exists below 1760. Certainly, you can expect little more bearishness. 1755, 1750 level should come as a good support, and below that, it may continue with further bearish momentum. There is a lot much to cover on the downside. You have to be careful. The support will see. This is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, and that is what it has got a pushback on the downside, and hence, yes, there are supports which will come into picture at 17-10-20 zone. The directional movement is extremely bullish. It may converge from here. The stochastic is extremely overbought and the MACD is divergent and bullish. There is a possibility that it may start to converge. The RSI is overbought. So only buy position today is above 1770. The sell position is at 1760. Below 1760, you can expect 1755, 1750 as the major support, then 1747 and then 1740 levels to come into picture. Below that, furthermore bearishness to be seen. On the upside, trading above 1771, you can expect little more rise, 1775, 1781, 85, and then it can try to attempt and achieve 1800 levels in today itself. Possibility exists that it may try to cool down or drop a bit before it looks over to a rise. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The last mentorship batch for this year is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this opportunity and begin your new year with confidence, with profits, with learning. So reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group where you can just trade as per the signals and definitely you can profit. So reach out to me. My details, my contact details, my Gmail ID, my Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel description. So if you go to the channel homepage, there is a about section. In the about section, you will find the details where you can connect with me. Reach out to me to only the mentioned IDs. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, silver is trying to trade in this box. You can find out higher highs there, then a drop, lower lows are done, retracement, and now looking downwards here. So only buy position today I will recommend is beyond this zone, which you will find at 2160, 2170 level. So yes, if you see it above 2170, you can buy there. At the same time, below 2150, there is a possibility to sell, but then expect 2145, 2140 to provide a major support. Below 2140, it will show you little bearishness. See, 2140, which was the resistance earlier, now is going to be the support. So hence you have to be cautious of 2140 levels. Only below that it will show you little bearishness. Direction movement modestly bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bearish. The RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, the head and shoulders is done and possibly now it is looking downwards here. It is also given a gap here. Possibly once it trades below 2150, you can expect 2145, 2140. Remember, 2140 is a major support. Below that, you can expect 2120 as the next support, 2130, 2120 as the next support, and then 2100 will be seen. The directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar is the formation. Head and shoulders are done on the 3-hour charts, probably looking little bit downwards. You can take a sell position at 2150, but then expect 2145. Very nearby, you will get this support, 2145 and then 2140 levels to be seen. Below that, further drop can be expected till towards 2130, 2120 and 2100 levels. Directional movement modestly bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is looking downwards. So mixed indication. Couple of indicators are giving it a sell entry here. Now look at the 4-hour charts also. Similarly, 4-hour charts are looking forward to give you higher highs, lower lows. A possible sell entry at 2150 can be taken, but then expect 2145, 2140 as the major support. Only bearishness to be confirmed is below 2140 levels. Till the time it trades above 2140, possibility of it to bounce back exists, and hence you have to trade with care there. Directional movement modestly bullish. Stochastic is comfortable in the middle. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and there is a possibility for it to continue the bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you'll find it already gave a gap down opening here, and with that as gap down opening, now see it has seen higher highs, looking forward to lower lows. Trading below 2150, you can expect little more bearishness still towards 2145, 40 and then 2130, 2120 levels. In fact, below that 2100 cannot be denied. The major support will come into picture at 2100 levels. Hence, you need to be cautious of this. On the upside, you can buy there at 2170. Above 2170, it will show you the bullishness. Above 2170, you can expect that we are looking at 2180 and 2200 levels. See, direction movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought and hence looking downwards here. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. The RSI is overbought. Considering this, sell at 2150, buy at 2170. In between these 30 cents, do not take any position. And above 2170, you have to trade with caution. It can reverse any point of time till 2200 levels that are stronger resistance level. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.